everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing great and I wish you a very happy new year 2021 to all of you and hope this year brings joy, peace and prosperity in your lives. So in this video I will show you how I did these nails. It's my birthday today, so I wanted something very simple yet elegant. So I came up with this very cool tone of white and chrome with wavy chrome design which I was working for a while, and I'm really happy how these nails turned out. So if you're interested how I did these nails, then keep on watching. So firstly, I'm applying a base coat to all of my nails and curing them in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. Once my nails are all cured, then I'm applying this beautiful gel polish from Madam Glam and it's called Canadian Winter, and this one came in their December collection which is called It's a Long Story collection, and I do have a swatch video of these, so do check it out. And I do have a 30% off coupon code for Madam Glam which I will link in the description box, so do check that out to save some money on these bottles. So here I'm painting first layer of this color and curing in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. So once the first layer is fully cured, then apply a second coat on all of the nails and cure it for 30 seconds in LED lamp. So if you have any gel polish that came on the skin or flooded the cuticles, just make sure to clean with a brush before curing in the lamp, otherwise it'll be really tough to take it off later. So here I'm done with the gel polish application and I'm loving this beautiful color, and I live in Canada, so this is my absolute favorite color, which is Canadian Winter from that collection. So now I'm applying a no wipe top coat on my middle finger and my ring finger and curing it only for 30 seconds for chrome application. So here I've got my Chrome Magic powder and I got this from AliExpress. If I find the link for this magic powder, I will post in the description box below. But yeah, it's a beautiful champagne chrome powder. And now I'm directly rubbing this on the cured no wipe top coat. Just making sure you rub the whole side, even the tips and in the corners. And look how gorgeous it's looking. I'm really loving these. So now I'm buffing the top layer of the top coat and making the color really matte with a really fine buffer. I'm not actually scratching the nail, I'm just removing the top coat and smoothing out the color. You can always use a matte top coat if you have and remove the sticky layer. So on my dish here I've put some no wipe top gel and using this fine brush to draw the design on my nail. So here I'm creating the wavy lines, and once it's done, I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. So after curing, I am rubbing the same magic powder on these lines, and as you can see, it only transfer on the top coat and not on the other parts of the nail because we made it matte, and so it only sticks on that. So I'm really loving this effect. After that, I'm just scratching the tips of the chrome so that the top coat adheres the whole nail properly, and if you don't do that, the chrome will wear off from the tips and it won't look great after a few days. So make sure to scratch the tips for both nails and then apply a no wipe top coat and cure it for 60 seconds. Now here I'm applying the same top coat that I put on the dish on these lines because I want to make sure the chrome is all sealed and so that it doesn't chip. So I'm just applying the top coat just on the wavy lines and not on all of the nails. You can apply on all of the nails if you like the shiny look. So on rest of the nails, I'm applying a no wipe top coat and make sure to seal the edges so that there won't be any chipping, and cure it for 60 seconds in LED lamp. So here I'm finishing off with the nourishing cuticle oil to all of my nails so that they look shiny and moisturized, and yeah, we are done. So I hope you really liked these birthday nails that I've created for myself, and actually these can be worn for any occasion. It can be birthday, it can be New Year's or winter time, and if you do recreate this design, please tag me on my Instagram, which is Cherry Blossom Nail Art. I've put everything in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and a very happy new year once again. I will see you in my next one then. Bye bye.